Hey guys, welcome to Naughty Devil Creations. As you can tell, it's a beautiful day in Minnesota. We already got a couple inches of snow. We're gonna head out to the shop, make something today for you guys. So, let's turn this around so you can see this beautiful view. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. I know, snow sucks, but man, it's gorgeous. So, let's get in the shop. I'll tell you right after the intro what we're going to be making today, so stay tuned. Can't wait to see you here in a second. Alright guys, got a scar today. Set that down. Opening the door. Oh, I probably should get that out. I don't know if you can see that. Boom. See the snow up in there? Probably not good. There we go. Get that out. Anyway. Yeah. Still rocking the GoPro 5. The Hero 5. With the case and the Rogue mic and all that. Set that down. I think that's all I have in there. So, today we are going to get this snowy flannel jacket off. Hang this up, Mr. Rogers style, you know. Boom, there we go. So today, let's see where it's at. This package. I have a notorious thing of dropping my vape. And I bought a new little mouthpiece. You can see, I don't know, you can see really well there. There's a little gap in between there. And this is the one that it came with. Kind of cool, has like that honeycomb design, but I chipped it right there. So what I want to do is I can't find one that fits like I like. So I'm going to make one. I'm going to take the O-rings off this. I have a whole bunch of scrap pieces of, well, that's like wood but scrap pieces of, you know, acrylic blanks and things like that. So I'm going to find one of those. Like this right here. Perfect, you know, like that. That little guy. We're going to turn one. And that's what we're going to do today. So, if you're new to the channel, thank you very much. Subscribe down in the bottom corner down there. Hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Yeah, so show me some love, and I will catch you at the end of this video. See you then. right, guys. We got it on. Got the O-ring on. It's a nice tight fit, just like we want it. Doesn't come off easy. This one had 2 O-rings. I only put 1 O-ring on this one. I don't think it needs to. Yeah, you gotta pull pretty hard to get that off. I'm gonna clean it up. Yeah, I like that. It's nice and tight. No leaking around the sides. Yeah. Sorry. Oh yeah, let's clean this up. Get it on. If you guys have watched to this point, you guys are legends. I do appreciate you guys watching and taking the time out of your day to watch my video. If you learned something, the thing is you don't have to buy everything. Yeah, this was $5, but that $5 didn't fit. I made one in the color I like with a piece of scrap that I had laying around. Orange is my favorite color, so boom. I made something that I enjoy, and every time I see it and I use it, and be like, I made that. And you guys can do that too. So thanks again for watching. I do appreciate everything, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It lets me know that I'm doing something that you guys are liking. If you guys want to see me make something, I mean, come on, I just made a tip for a vape. So, you know, anything you guys want to see, just let me know. I will try to figure out how to do it if I don't know how to do it, and I'll show you all the mistakes along the way. That's part of woodworking. That's part of making things. If you just give up the very first time you hit a hurdle, you won't ever make it. Yesterday I was out here and I failed for about 3 hours trying to make one of these. So that's, you know, part of the process of learning how to do things. So thanks, guys. I do appreciate it. Until next time, you guys are always welcome in my shop. I'll see you next time. Damn. Always lose with snow.